Hello guys, welcome to the channel the Earthen Pot. Today we are going to cook mutton curry in a very unique way using ghee. So let's see what are the ingredients. Ghee, ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, mutton masala, pepper powder, black cardamom, cloves, pepper, curd, green chilies, finely chopped onions, 300 grams mutton, oil, turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and salt to taste. So first, let's take a pan, preheated pan. We'll add ghee to it. Now let's add mutton pieces in the pan. So we are going to slightly fry the mutton in the ghee for roughly about 2 to 3 minutes until it is 30 to 40% cooked. You see the color of the mutton changes. Now let's add black cardamom, cloves, and black pepper. Gently mix it. So you don't have to add water in this because the mutton it releases some water because you have already washed it. It will have some moisture in it and it releases the moisture. And with that you get some water in it. So as you can see, we have cooked the mutton in the ghee for almost 15 to 20 minutes. So now let's add up half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Let's give it a mix. So while cooking this, you can actually get a beautiful aroma of the ghee and the pepper and the spices which we have added. So now let's take this pieces aside in a bowl. So we'll keep this aside. So as you can see, the amount of oil, the ghee that we have taken, okay, so if you feel that the ghee is less, so you can add up some oil or ghee in it. Okay, so as we have a lot of ghee left in this, so I'm not going to take another pan or use some more oil or something. So what I'm going to do is, in the same ghee, we are going to add up some curry leaves, some green chilies, ginger garlic paste, that's the smell of the ghee, ginger garlic paste, green chilies and curry leaves. Wow, that's fantastic. Okay, now let's add some onions to it. So now let's add up turmeric, coriander powder, chili powder and some salt. So now let's add up the mutton which we fried in the ghee and gently mix it. Okay. Now let's add up curd, give it a mix. So now let's add up some water to it. Or else, if you like this gravy, a thick gravy, depending upon how thick you want it, just add up some water. So check the consistency of the gravy, and according to that you can add up water to it. So now let's leave this mixture of mutton to cook for roughly about 20 to 30 minutes. So guys, we have given good 30 minutes for the mutton to cook. Wow. The aroma of all the masalas and the ghee is too good. So the mutton is well cooked. Now, so let's go ahead and serve it. So guys, our special mutton curry is ready. So let's go. So some garnishing with the curry leaves. Awesome. Perfect blend of all the masalas and especially the touch of ghee, pure ghee. Too good. So guys, if you like this recipe, do try it at home, and please share, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Keep watching our videos. Take care. Bye bye.